Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. In the mathematics lecture, we are continuing with the differentiation topic. We will continue the exercise 1.1 from the chapter differentiation. In the last lecture, we have seen few examples from exercise 1.1 which are dependent on derivatives of composite functions. Now, today we will see some more examples. So let us start. Given y equal to tan of cos of sin x be a composite function and we have to derive this with respect to x. So here again this composite function is a function of function. So we have to differentiate 3 times. Firstly, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan function is, consider first function, derivative of tan function is sec square of the function as it is cos of sin x into derivative of d by dx of the first inner function, that is cos of sin x. tan फंक्शन मध्ये जे पहिलं फंक्शन आहे किंवा जो पहिला ब्रॅकेट आहे हा ब्रॅकेट कन्सिडर करायचा आहे tan ऑफ टोटल फंक्शन cos of sin x is equal to sec square of cos of sin x as it is into d by dx of cos of sin. Now to find d by dx of cos of sin function, this is again a composite, so use the formula for cos of f of x, derivative of cos of f of x. Derivative of cos is minus sine of the function sin x as it is into d by dx of sin x is equal to sec square of cos of sin x into minus sine of sin x into derivative of sine is cos x, and finally dy by dx is equal to minus cos x into sine of sin x into sec square of cos of sin x. This is the final answer. Now we will see the next example. Y equal to log of sec of e raised to x square. Function is log of sec, it is composite. Again this sec of e raised to something, so it is again composite. So this is interesting example. Consider y equal to log of sec of e raised to x square. Differentiating with respect to x, dwrtx, we get dy by dx is equal to पहला डेरिवेटिव log, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log इज 1 अपॉन वॉट एवर जे असेल ते, log ऑफ जे फंक्शन आहे ते sec ऑफ e रेज टू एक्स स्क्वेअर इंटू काय करतोय डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द फंक्शन, व्हॉट इज फंक्शन sec ऑफ e रेज टू एक्स स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन sec ऑफ e raised to x square into derivative of sec function is sec x into tan x, that is sec of e raised to x square into tan of e raised to x square into d by dx of, आता परत इथं y ऑब्झर्व करायचं आहे, लॉगचं फंक्शन डेरिवेटिव्ह ऑफ लॉग पाहिलं आपण, डेरिवेटिव्ह ऑफ सेक, आता येणार आहे डेरिवेटिव्ह ऑफ e raised to x square is equal to, cancelling this sec of e raised to x square, sec of e raised to x square. Simply the term will be here tan of e raised to x square into derivative of e raised to x square is, we know that derivative of e raised to f of x is itself e raised to f of x, but into f dash of x. So here d by dx of derivative of the inner function is x square. So finally tan of e raised to x square into e raised to x square and derivative of x square is 2x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 2x into e raised to x square into tan of e raised to x square. This is the final answer. Now the next example is cos square of y equal to cos square of log of x square plus 7. Here the simple cos function is not given. Cos raised to some power is here, cos square. So we have to use the formula cos of f of x, again raised to n also, differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to, use here the derivative for power function. Here 2 is power and the function is cos. 2 into cos of log of x square plus 7 raised to 2 minus 1 using power function. d by dx of into d by dx of cos of log of x square plus 7 is equal to 2 into cos of log of x square plus 7 into derivative of cos is minus sign of log of x square plus 7 into मल्टिप्लाइड टर्म इथे मी खाली लिहिणार आहे d by dx of log of x square plus 7 is equal to 2 into लेंथ एक्झाम्पल आहे 2 into cos of CET साठी बऱ्याच वेळा असे एक्झाम्पल्स येऊ शकतात. 2 into cos of log of x square plus 7 into minus sin of log of x square plus 7 into d by dx of log, that is 1 upon x square plus 7 into, आणखी डिफरन्शिएशन फिनिश झालेलं नाही कारण लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शनमध्ये परत आणखी एक फंक्शन आहे x square plus 7. सो d by dx of x square plus 7 is equal to 2 into मायनस आपण आधी लिहूया इथं मायनस 2 into sin of log of x square plus 7 into cos of log of x square plus 7 into 1 upon x square plus 7 into derivative of x square plus 7 is 2x plus 0. Derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 7 is 0. Simplifying further by using formula for multiple angles, 2 into sin into, consider this as theta, observe here 2 sin theta into cos theta, therefore we can use formula for 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Therefore minus sine of 2 into log of x square plus 7 into 2x divided by x square plus 7 is equal to minus sine of log of x square plus 7 square into 2x divided by x square plus 7. So this is the final answer. minus 2x आधी लिहू शकता तुम्ही, minus 2x into sine of log of x square plus 7 raised to 2 divided by x square plus 7. Now we will see the next example. Observe the next example. I am writing here log of log x to the base e square. लास्ट स्टँडर्डमध्ये आपण 11th स्टँडर्डमध्ये फंक्शन्स टॉपिक पेपर सेकंडच्या फंक्शन टॉपिकमध्ये लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शन्सचा स्टडी केला आहे पूर्ण. त्यामध्ये लॉज ऑफ लॉगॅरिथम आपण पाहिलेले आहेत. थोडक्यात आपण इथं रिव्हिजन बघूया त्याचे. log of mn is equal to log m plus log n. This is law of product if the base is same. Log of m by n to the base a is equal to log m minus log n. This is law of quotient. Log m raised to n is equal to n into log m to the base a. This is law of exponent. And one important law is here, change of base law. Log m to the base a can be written as log m divided by log a to the same base. We can use any number, any real number instead of this e. Log m to the base a, sorry base b घेऊया आपण कारण इथं ऑलरेडी a आहे. log a to the base b. या रूल्सचा यूज करायचा आहे. एखाद्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये आपल्याला y पहिल्यांदा सिम्प्लिफाय करावा लागतो कारण y equal to log of log x to the base e square. Therefore, simplifying y is equal to by using change of base law, y is equal to log of log x divided by log of e square. Log of log x, log of log x divided by log of e square. By using change of base formula, log m to the base a is equal to, we can simply write log m divided by log a. So y is equal to log of log x divided by log of e square. Again simplifying, y is equal to log of log x as it is divided by e square. By using law of exponent, this 2 is exponent here, 2 into log e. We know that the value of log e is 1, therefore this is 2 into 1. I simply write here 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Therefore the simplified form of y will be y equal to log of log x divided by 2. Now we will differentiate this. dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. This divided by 2 is 1 by 2 as it is here. 1 by 2 into log of log x, या फंक्शनचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ log of is 1 upon that function, 1 upon log x into dy dx of log x. is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 upon log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Therefore, the final answer is dy by dx equal to 1 upon 2x into log x. परत एकदा एक्झाम्पल ऑब्झर्व करूया आपण. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू log x टू द बेस ई स्क्वेअर. एक्झाम्पल बऱ्याच वेळेला दिसताना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वाटतं, पण जर असे या टाईपचं बेसिक तुमचं क्लिअर असेल, लॉगॅरिथमिक रूल्स पाठ असतील, तर तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल सिम्प्लिफाय करून सॉल्व करणं इझी जाईल. या लेक्चरमधलं आपण आता लास्टचं एक्झाम्पल बघूया, शेवटचं. y equal to e raised to log of log x square minus log x square. Before starting the solution of this example, again we have to know the properties of logarithm, properties or rules of logarithm or laws of logarithm. In the previous example, we have already revised the law of exponent is equal to log m raised to n to the base a is equal to n log m to the base a. This is law of exponent, but this law of exponent is true if the exponent is only for this factor or this number. Log m total raised to n is not equal to log m raised to n. This is the difference between two terms. Observe here two terms, log x raised to 2, and we will read this term as log x square and this also read as log x square, but here is the difference for properties. Log x bracket square is not equal to log x square. This is total square and this is square of only the logarithmic number. Now again we have to use one property here, e raised to log of f of x to the base e. If the base of given function or given term and base of this logarithmic function are same, then simply write this term as f of x. Or in terms of properties of logarithm, a raised to log of m to the base a is equal to m. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लॉगॅरिथम मध्ये हा एक रूल आहे, प्रॉपर्टी आहे. एक्सपोनेन्शियल फॉर्म असेल, बेस असेल हा ए रेज टू परत एक लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शन असेल, टर्म असेल आणि त्याचा बेस परत हाच सेम असेल, तर सिम्पली ए रेज टू लॉग एम टू द बेस ए, दॅट सेम बेस इज इक्वल टू एम. नाव वी विल स्टार्ट अवर एक्झाम्पल. लॉग ऑफ ई रेज टू, ज्यावेळेस बेस लिहिलेलं नसेल त्यावेळेस आपल्याला माहिती आहे की बेस ई असतो. लॉग ई रेज टू लॉग टोटल फंक्शन टू द बेस ई. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस लॉ we can write y is equal to simply y is equal to log x total square minus log x square. Now we will use law of exponent only for second term. Log x bracket square as it is minus 2 into log x by using law of exponent. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to derivative of log x raised to 2. Treat this function as power function. 2 into log x raised to 2 minus 1 into d by dx of log x minus 2 into this function is straight function, regular simple function. 2 into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Finally dy by dx is equal to 2 into log x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x minus 2 by x, and therefore the answer is dy by dx is equal to 2 log x upon x minus 2 by x, or simply we can write 2 by x into log x minus 1. काही ठिकाणी या फंक्शनचं फायनल आन्सर हा परत 1 असेल तर लॉग ईने रिप्लेस करून याचं फायनल आन्सर बऱ्याच वेळेला लॉग एक्स मायनस लॉग ई या टाईपमध्ये परत आणखी सिम्प्लिफाय केलेलं असेल, इज इक्वल टू 2 बाय एक्स इंटू, अगेन बाय युजिंग लॉ ऑफ कोशंट दिस फंक्शन इज 2 बाय एक्स इंटू लॉग ऑफ एक्स बाय ई. पण आपण हे फायनल आन्सर म्हणून पण कन्सिडर करू शकतो. ॲक्च्युली या एक्झाम्पलचं वेटेज 2 मार्क असू शकतं. जरी इथे रूल्स एक्स्ट्रा वापरलेले असतील तरी dy बाय dx इक्वल टू फायनल आन्सर 2 लॉग एक्स अपॉन एक्स मायनस 2 बाय एक्स एवढं सिम्पल आन्सर असू शकतं याचं. सो या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण 5 एक्झाम्पल्स बघितलेत एक्झरसाइज 1.1 डिफरन्शिएशन टॉपिकमधील. In the next lecture we will see question number 2 from exercise 1.1. In the question number 2 of exercise 1.1 there is addition and subtraction or multiplication and division of composite functions. So in the next lecture we will see the examples of question number 2 from exercise 1.1.